Breaking news for home buyers. President Trump just signed an executive order that could make it easier and cheaper to get a mortgage in 2026. And if you're thinking about buying a home in Maryland, DC, or Northern Virginia, this could be a game changer. On March 13, 2026, the executive order titled Promoting Access to Mortgage Credit was signed with one goal: reduce red tape and make homeownership more accessible. But what does that actually mean for you as a buyer or seller? First major change: small banks are being pushed back into the mortgage market. Banks under $100 billion assets will now get tailored rules, making it easier for them to lend again. And when more lenders compete, buyers win with better rates, more flexibility, and more approvals. Next, major reform to post-2008 mortgage rules. The ability to repay and qualified mortgage rules are being reviewed, which could simplify underwriting. In simple terms, it may become easier to qualify, even if your financial situation isn't perfect. They're also targeting closing delays. The Tri-D disclosure process is being streamlined to reduce confusion and speed things up. That means fewer delays when you're trying to close on your dream home. Now here's where things get interesting. The order encourages AI-based home valuations, desktop appraisals, and hybrid models. That could cut appraisal costs and shave days or even weeks off your timeline. Another big shift: digital mortgages. The government is pushing to eliminate wet signatures and move toward e-signatures, e-notes, and remote notarization. Meaning, you could close on a home from your couch. Smaller lenders are also getting relief from heavy reporting requirements. This could encourage more local lenders to approve loans they previously avoided. And here's a subtle but powerful change. Regulators are being told to focus on fixing mistakes first, instead of punishing lenders immediately. That reduces fear for lenders and increases willingness to approve loans. There's also a push to increase funding for entry-level housing and small builders. This could mean more affordable homes entering the market over time. So what's the big takeaway? This executive order is designed to make mortgages easier to get, faster to process, and potentially cheaper. And for buyers in competitive markets like Maryland, DC, and Northern Virginia, this could open doors. If you're thinking about buying a home this year, timing matters more than ever. Message me home, and I'll break down exactly how this impacts you in your local market.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor,